What if I told you that a simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen could help boost your health? Yes, I'm talking about baking soda. You might use it to clean or bake, but have you ever thought about drinking it? Sounds strange, right? But there's growing evidence that baking soda water, when consumed daily, might offer several health benefits, especially for people over 50. But before we dive into the specifics, let's start with a story. Imagine you're feeling sluggish, bloated, or experiencing acid reflux after every meal. You've tried various remedies, but nothing seems to work. Then, someone mentions baking soda water. With some hesitation, you give it a try, and to your surprise, you start feeling better. What's happening here? Let's break it down. Balances acid levels in the body. As we age, our bodies produce less stomach acid, which is essential for digestion. Low stomach acid can lead to indigestion, bloating, and heartburn. When you drink a little baking soda mixed with water, it can help neutralize stomach acid, making digestion smoother. This can prevent that uncomfortable burning sensation many of us get after meals. Think of it as a natural antacid that helps keep your digestive system in check. Supports kidney health. Did you know that your kidneys play a crucial role in keeping your body's pH balanced? When the body becomes too acidic, it can lead to various health problems, including kidney stones. Baking soda is alkaline, meaning it can help neutralize excess acids in your body. Some studies even suggest that regular intake of baking soda water may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. This is particularly important for people over 50, as kidney function tends to decline with age. Helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a major culprit behind many age-related diseases, including arthritis. Surprisingly, drinking baking soda water might help reduce inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Immunology found that baking soda may influence the immune system to produce fewer inflammatory responses. This could lead to reduced joint pain and stiffness, especially in those dealing with arthritis. Improves performance in exercise. Staying active is key to healthy aging. But if you've noticed that you're tiring faster during your workouts, baking soda might be a surprising ally. It acts as a buffer against lactic acid buildup, which is what causes muscle soreness and fatigue. By reducing this buildup, baking soda can help you feel more energetic during your exercises, allowing you to stay active longer without tiring as quickly. Aids in balancing pH levels. Our bodies function best when they are slightly alkaline. When we consume too many acidic foods, our bodies have to work harder to maintain a balanced pH level. Baking soda, being alkaline, helps restore this balance. This can promote overall health, making sure that your body isn't overly acidic, which can contribute to a variety of health issues. Fights off urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs become more common as we age, especially for women. Drinking baking soda water can make the urine less acidic, which creates an environment where bacteria responsible for UTIs struggle to thrive. This might help reduce the frequency or severity of these infections. Regulates blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common issue for many people over 50. Interestingly, some experts believe that a body that's too acidic can contribute to high blood pressure. By helping to balance pH levels, baking soda may indirectly support healthy blood pressure levels. However, always consult with your doctor before adding something new to your routine, especially if you have high blood pressure. Helps with detoxification. Over time, our bodies accumulate toxins from the foods we eat, the air we breathe, and even the medications we take. Drinking baking soda water daily may help the body detoxify. It promotes the removal of waste products through the kidneys and can help the liver function more efficiently. How to safely use baking soda water. So, how do you go about drinking baking soda water safely? It's simple. Mix about half a teaspoon of baking soda in an 8-ounce glass of water. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning or about an hour after your last meal of the day. Be sure to use only the recommended amount, as too much baking soda can cause discomfort. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before starting any new health routine, especially if you're taking medication or have a health condition. A word of caution. While baking soda offers many potential benefits, it's important to use it wisely. Too much can lead to an imbalance of electrolytes or high sodium levels, which could be harmful. Stick to the recommended dosage, and if you experience any side effects, discontinue use and speak with a healthcare professional. A natural boost for overall health. It's fascinating that something as simple as baking soda water can offer so many health benefits, isn't it? From improving digestion to supporting kidney function and reducing inflammation, it's a small addition to your routine that could make a big difference. Of course, it's not a miracle cure, but it's a tool that might help you feel better and live healthier as you age. As always, maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and exercising are essential parts of any wellness plan. So why not give it a try? It's affordable, simple, and could offer your body the boost it needs. We love hearing from our community. If you've tried baking soda water as part of your morning routine, please share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to embark on their own journey towards better health. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.